Hey everyone, this is Savannah Grigor from John Hart Real Estate, and we have Emmy Alexandria from Cross Country Mortgage with me today. I've invited her to ask her a few questions in regards to loan programs and what she specializes in.
Thank you for having me. Hi everyone. So a quick glance of screen that I want to actually share with you guys. We do have anywhere from starting from down payment assistance program all the way to non-QM, which majority of non-QM is for self-employed borrowers. Doesn't matter, you can be W-2 or self-employed. We basically specialize in first-time home buyers, investors, sellers are always going to be buyers as well, and including buyers that they're trying to invest a lot more in real estate.
Wonderful. And can you talk a little bit about any difficulties that we've had with clients, as in not getting them approved, or have you basically had any situations where you've turned down a client per se?
Yes and no. So yes, I have turned down a client where they were not qualified. They couldn't buy. They basically had shortage of, a credit score, for example, or some people, it could be not enough income, or we needed a cosigner, or maybe there was a small little hiccup of they co-signed for another person. That co-signing actually is not the best way to do it because it could disqualify you since the debt does hit on your bureau. Now, as far as myself, the way I work differently is I love to focus on the solution. Solution is basically providing value to a client and for me to give them a plan. Majority of clients are actually moving forward with the plan, and as long as they do the work and they put the work, they end up buying a home, which that's exactly what these clients were able to do it because they were able to buy a home.
Yes, and Emmy has helped me through several clients of mine, and we recently had a situation where we were getting to a point where we couldn't fully get full approval, and we had a situation basically where the credit score was slightly under 50 points, I want to say, and I had asked Emmy, what can we do with this scenario, and she mentioned something about rapid rescore. If you can please give us a little insight about that.
Yes, absolutely. So rapid rescore is a tool that in a direct lending, many of banks do provide this, but it all depends on the loan officer, how they know how to look into the scenario to see if it is a possibility for the borrower to have increased credit score and get a better product and better payment ranges. So in this case, our client actually had a 650 credit score. We were able to increase anywhere from 50 to 60 points. It was specific credit cards, and be sure to not pay your own credit cards by yourself. The truth is, not every credit card that you pay off is going to help you to increase your credit score. That's actually a wrong method that people think that can help them. But in this case, we were able to switch them over from FHA to a conventional, buy a home within 3 months instead of a year of going to a credit repair, taking longer time in order for them to buy and miss an opportunity in investing. The best news I can give you and share with you is that their mortgage insurance quote was better on a conventional at a 5% down payment than it was on an FHA 3.5 down, which is also known as private mortgage insurance, and they were debt free as well. So overall monthly savings was about $400 a month.
Thank you for explaining that. So how can our viewers get in touch with you?
So super easy. My contact information, I actually have a QR code. I'll provide it to Savannah and she'll upload that. But mainly you can get in touch with me by giving me a call. The QR code, you will find me on my social media platform as well, as I create lots of content and education, which is all about mortgage tips, secret sauces, and mortgage hacks that people love watching and understanding what products work, what are the updates in real estate, and mainly you can book your own appointment, which I have Calendly set up already that you could pick a time that suits you to have a free consultation with me.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it, and I look forward to doing more business with you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Me too.